What is an ultrasonic cleaning system? An ultrasonic cleaning system is a type of cleaning technology that uses high-frequency sound waves to agitate a liquid. It's commonly used to clean delicate items such as jewelry, electronic components, medical instruments, and precision parts. Here's how it typically works. Transducer. The system includes a transducer, which generates high-frequency sound waves, usually in the range of 20 to 400 kHz. Liquid bath. The item to be cleaned is placed in a liquid bath, typically water or a solvent, although detergent or other specialized solutions may also be used. Cavitation. When the ultrasonic waves pass through the liquid, they create millions of tiny bubbles through a process called cavitation. These bubbles implode violently upon contact with the surface of the object being cleaned, dislodging dirt, grease, and other contaminants. Scrubbing action. The implosion of the bubbles produces a scrubbing action at a microscopic level, effectively cleaning the surface of the object. Rinsing. After cleaning, the item is usually rinsed with clean water to remove any remaining cleaning solution or debris. Ultrasonic cleaning is preferred for items that have intricate shapes or delicate surfaces that may be damaged by traditional cleaning methods. It's efficient, effective, and environmentally friendly since it often uses water-based solutions instead of harsh chemicals. NCOC has several options of cleaner for the ultrasonic systems. We will suggest the best one according to the material that you need to wash and the dirty contained in your part. Thanks for watching the NCOC channel.